Hello everyone, my name is 𝐒𝐩𝐞𝐿 and I am from grade 7 Mechi. Today I am going to be exploring some topics about speed and velocity. So as you can see, I have a path here, I have a toy bus and I also have a stopwatch. So let's calculate the speed of the bus traveling from point A to point C. Let's start. So the total distance it travelled from point A to C is 0.5 meter plus 0.6 meter, which is 1.1 meter. So the total distance the bus travelled from point A to C is 1.1 meter. Now the stopwatch says that the total time taken by it is 3 seconds. Okay, so in our case the distance, the total distance can be calculated as from point A to point B it is 0.5 meters and from point B to point C is 0.6 meter. So the grand total will be 1.1 meter. Now in the stopwatch the time taken was 3 seconds. So our main question is, what is the speed? So we know the formula to calculate speed is distance by time taken. Now in our case distance is 1.1 meter and time taken is 3 seconds. So dividing 1.1 meter by 3, the answer will be 0.366 meter per second. To find the velocity, we need to first use the shortest length from point A to point C, which is 0.8 meter. So let's calculate the time. The time taken is 3 seconds. Now the total distance from point A to the total length from point A to point C was 0.8 meter and the time taken was 3 seconds. So the main question is, what is the velocity? Now we know that velocity equals to displacement, which is the shortest path from point A to point C, by time taken. In our case the displacement is 0.8 meter by 3. In our case the total distance is 0.8 meter by 3, which is 0.266 meter per second. As we have calculated speed and velocity, we should remember that speed is the total distance travelled by a body per unit time, whereas velocity is the shortest length travelled by a body per unit time. Speed is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is a vector quantity. We've explored many concepts about speed and velocity today. I hope you understood everything. Thank you.